Kabor Sensar District jang ke West Gentia Hills District ban penjam nya ke jing iaid suki ki kali ka balawan ra ya ke jing theng kali da ka ba weng ni ki katto ka ni teli ki speed breaker ha ki line teli ki jaka pat bu thammai ru ha ka wai pat ka jaka ha ka sngi palai nalor ka jing weng ni ki speed breaker ki bala penthot saba palat ya ka iaid ka yang jok ki kali ki Bor Sensar District kan pen kelaru ya ke rukom iaid kali ha Jowai ha ki katto ka ni teli ki lat ban pen keloj ya ki surok ba ha Jowai kini ke jingweng ya ki speed breakers kalong hadin bagi senjuk ki nongnya kali kamai taxi ha Jowai kila ujor cha deputy commissioner jang ke West Gentia Hills District uba BS Soklia ba ke jingbun palat ki speed breaker sapok ke sor Jowai nadu New Hill hadu mi mentudu kalawan ra ya ke jing theng kali ka bajor bat kala khata ya ke kamai ka ji jongki kumta na kaliang jong DC ulap ha jurip ya kene ke jing dheng kali henne kasngi ha ka jing don lang executive magistrate superintendent of police ki engineer PWD bat katanat transport nalor kiwei ha kene ke jing jurip DC ula ong bakat kum ke kaipot ka balayo kalong ban weng no yi speed breakers ha moralong ne kala chaka school Jowai public school mokundur yaw thame mokurdup yaw thame lat thlabo bat hatluwania ne kalat ban lech school Gentia Higher Secondary School lapen kenria no hakmat kayo thme ne lat stadium ban punsuki ki kali bami na yo kan bahalat labo hakmat kamadan school an penjam ya speed breaker susu ba solia ulo ong bak report kala ajing mudru ban ailat no ban ya kali arliang kesurok ne ketulin ban rung ban mi ne kesurok ban rung Sir Thomas Jones Dulong Road ne Dr Norman Tunnel Hospital Road nalor kata ban buru ya ke jaka yang kali ki kali shimet ne ki private halat Thomas Jones
from St. Mary Mazzarello School till Lan Kiangba Government College, and it was done today starting at 10:30 a.m. The team that went for the joint evaluation and inspection was the Superintendent of Police, West Gentia Hills District, Jowai, the Extra Assistant Commissioner, West Gentia Hills District, Jowai, officials from PBB, Central and South Division, Jowai, District Transport Officer, West Gentia Hills District, Jowai, Police and Traffic personnel. There are 9 serially, there are 9 and there are 9 locations, and we will from the main road junction near Kiangnamba Government College, we have decided to improve by switching to a softer version of the rumble strip. Then main road near junction to Tomium Memorial School, to make improvement by switching to a softer version of rumble strip. And in Memory Colony, Muralong, in front of Vishal Megamart, that rumble strip will be removed. It will also be removed in the Mukurdup Junction, main road in front of Vitran Inn. And then on that will be then installed a softer version of the rumble strip. Then at Yautun May, the rumble strip will be removed and it will be transferred to Lat Stadium Road near the Yau May Junction. Main road near Lat Halbo Playground. Make improvement by switching to a softer version of the rumble strip and extend it to cover the whole width of the road. Then at main road near Gentia Secondary School, to remove the rumble strip altogether, and there is no change on the main road in front of St. Mazzarello School. There is no change. So basically, and other notable observations, we will have to repeat the zebra crossings along the stretch of road to prepare the rumble strips on the main road near the junction to Jowai Circuit House, New Hill. And there's also a need, and there's also unnecessary orders will be passed to convert the one-way exit junction to main road from Thomas Jones Senior College into a two-way lane, and also to convert the unused area near the junction into a private parking space, non-commercial. That's according to the report of the joint inspection today, and necessary orders will be issued according to the report submitted by the team that went for the joint evaluation and inspection today. The inspection team today, first we will improve by making a softer version of these rumble strips and removing some of them. I'm sure improve or rather ease the flow of traffic considerably from the, this area that you mentioned just now.